Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Kitchen Stories by Oindrila, and today we have another amazing recipe using green mangoes. This raw mango has so many benefits. It's so high in vitamin C, it is very hydrating during the summer months, and it's absolutely delicious. So I thought let's take this and make some Aam Panna. It's such a beautiful, refreshing drink. Oh, I just love it, and I just thought let me share my recipe with you guys. So let's get started. First thing we will do is we'll pressure cooker mangoes. You can also roast it. It's going to give a beautiful flavor. But I am a little lazy right now, so I am boiling my mangoes. So I put the mangoes in the pressure cooker, cover it with water, not the whole way, just a little bit, and I'll let it come to boil for 3 whistles. मेरा मैंगोज बॉयल हो चुका है for 3 whistles. Let's खोल रही हूँ. Wow. And I've cooled it down also. And देखो soft, so I know it's ready. I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to skin it and take out the pulp. The mango skin is already coming off due to boiling. So I'm just gonna take it. It's a little messy job. कोई नहीं, I'll use a spoon. Scrape off the pulp. And now I'm going to put the mango pulp inside a mixie. I have about 1 cup of mango pulp over here that I've got out of 2 mangoes. And in this I'm going to add in 1 cup of sugar. Adding in half an inch of ginger, a pinch of Ajwain, half teaspoon of Jeera powder, half teaspoon of Elaichi powder, half teaspoon kala namak ka dal rahi hu, black salt, and around half a cup of fresh pudina. As an added sour agent, I'm adding lemon juice, half teaspoon of black pepper, my Aam Panna concentrate is ready, and I'm ready to make amazing sharbats every day for the summer. So good. The mango concentrate Aam Panna is ready to be stored, and it can easily be kept for a couple of weeks. It doesn't go bad, and you can make fresh Aam Panna anytime that you want. And अब आम पन्ना बनाने के लिए I'm gonna take ice and a few spoonful of the Aam Panna concentrate that I've made. And इसके अंदर I'm adding water. Add in some raw mango bits, and some ice to chill our Aam Panna, a mint leaf to garnish. So my Aam Panna is ready and I'm off to enjoy it. Don't forget to share, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon below so that you get notified of any new video. This is Oindrila signing off to go and enjoy my drink. I'll catch you guys soon. Bye bye.